In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a project in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to look out for so you can remove a project quickly and confidently. Start by looking to the left side of your screen. This is the main sidebar, the control center, where you can navigate through different parts of the interface. If your window is narrow, the sidebar might be slightly condensed, but it's still there along the left edge. Take a moment to scan through it. This is where you'll find the section you need. Within that sidebar, locate the projects category. This is the place that organizes and displays your existing projects. It's your hub for managing project work, so it's where deletion lives too. When you open or focus on this area, you should see a list of your projects appear. Each item represents a project you've created or have access to. Next, identify the specific project you want to delete. It's a good idea to double-check the project name before moving forward, especially if you have several with similar titles. Hover your mouse over the project you'd like to remove. As you hover, additional controls will appear for that item, giving you more options without cluttering the list. Look for the three-dot icon that shows up when you hover. This icon is commonly called the More Options menu. Click that three-dot icon to reveal the available actions for this project. You'll see a small menu pop up with several choices relevant to managing that project. From that menu, choose Delete. This is the action that removes the project from your list. Deleting is a powerful command, so be sure you've selected the correct project before you proceed. It's smart to pause for a brief moment here and mentally confirm you're acting on the intended item. Once you click Delete, the project will be removed from your projects list. If you immediately don't see the change, a quick glance back at the list or a brief refresh will typically reflect the update. And that's it. You've navigated to the left sidebar, found the project's category, hovered over the project you wanted to remove, opened the three-dot menu, and selected Delete. Keeping your projects tidy makes it easier to focus on what matters, and now you know the precise steps to clear out anything you no longer need. Thanks for following along, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to remove another project.